So this is a Goddess by Design by Pooja Puneet. Hey guys, welcome back to brand new video. My name is Shivani. I hope you all are doing well. So इस वीडियो में आप देखोगे कि I have been to I think 2 places before. That was last week. Okay, thank God. So वही मैं इस वीडियो में include करूँगी. I'll complete it and then I'll leave for you to watch. So also stay tuned till the end because इस वीडियो में बहुत एक secret सी बात है जो मैं आपके साथ share करना चाहती हूँ. Something about life. So please stay tuned. So मैं आपको बस sneak peeks दिखाना चाहूँगी. Is like what that is. Maybe it might help you. आप ये join कर सकते हो. It is very helpful. It is a topic about life and I want to learn about life, on how to handle situations in life. So 2 दिन का course है और वो मैंने complete किया है. Sorry, I took a long intro to introduce. So chalo, I'll then come back to this. Hey guys, so came on a date with my sweetheart Lulu. Bhai Dooj special. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is another day. I'm buying the chair which I told you. It's a very nice place for furniture shopping. And right now I'm at Diamond Plaza, from where you had seen from the last time. मैंने बोला था कि मुझे एक chair खरीदनी थी while making videos, while filming videos, makeup tutorials, जो भी है आपसे बात करने के लिए. So I wanted a chair which is like adjustable in height. So I have purchased that today and hopefully I'll be talking to you, sitting and talking to you a little more. And here I am right now. So the chair which I purchased is from Hometown at Diamond Plaza. Diamond Plaza, Jasser Road, Dum Dum, Kolkata, India. पूरा एड्रेस ही बता दिया. तो यहाँ पे एक I think it's a makeup shop. मैं बहुत दिनों से देख रही हूँ but I never entered inside. I don't know if they're gonna allow to. शर्मा रहा है बंदा. If they're gonna let me film inside. क्या है यहाँ पे? I actually have to go to some other place. That's why I'm like not entering inside. Alright, so that was last week. जो भी आपने देखा footage, that was just a sneak peek. I purchased this chair, this background. I hope you like the background. If you like the background, please comment करके बताइए कि आपको ये अच्छा लगता है. So I thought of changing few things. I actually thought of changing this, लेकिन all of a sudden उसी time पे during my thought process मेरे एक friend ने बोला कि you know I really like your background, like black and white stripes, it looks like Sephora. And I'm like okay, like I should keep it. है ना? मैं बस ऐसे रिलैक्स बैठी हूँ and I want to talk to you guys. So yeah, so I just finished my class. Rather, it was a Q&A session today. Today is 16th of November. So जो 2 days का class था वो था 13th November and 14th November, like 2 days before. और उस दौरान ये जो भी sheets है वो हमको दिए गए थे, like obviously they'll send you online and you have to get it up, print out, done. And this is all about you, like how do you function as in your brain, like what are the situations जो आप कैसे react करते हो इस situation में, you know, there are a lot of. So this is a goddess by design by Pooja Puneet. We call her goddess. She is already a goddess. If you know, if you have seen her talking, you will fall in love and you can just feel her goddess vibes, energy. You can just feel her, like, see if you can join it. She comes live on Instagram every Wednesday. So Pooja Puneet is the handle. I'll leave in the description box below so you can go ahead and check that out. Or आप follow कर सकते हो. It's very, very useful, you guys. She just solves all of the questions which we women deal with, or maybe mothers deal with. So this is the alignment. It just shows you. So there's a, I don't want to share anything of this, guys. Like, I don't want to share anything of this. This is very, very not personal, it's secret. It's secret and I don't want to share this, but I will share this. This is not to keep to ourselves. ये share करने के लिए है, and I want to share and I choose to share with you guys. So the other topics: embodiment. This is healing. This is alignment, and this is owning. So जो कुछ भी overall जो कुछ भी मैंने what I have understood by this, I don't want to say it a course because it just puts it in a box. It's much more than that, you know. Unless and until you don't have the same level of vibrations, same level of energy, you might be like, not women, but I think some of the men's, they'll be like, okay, like what is this, क्या होगा इससे, क्या होगा. There are high chances कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करते जाओगे, one day you're gonna be so perfect that you're not gonna repeat the same mistake again. You are going to make the new mistake but not the same mistake. So with that you will make yourself perfect. Well, there's no one perfect in this world, but you will be a goddess. You will be a goddess energy. And with that, मुझे ये लगता है कि I should go back to my first YouTube channel's name, Shivani Goddess Beauty. I so want to badly use that name for this channel as well. It's just the vibes that I feel, and I truly believe it. I truly believe it. That's why I'd given that name. But on this channel, so I'm just like hodgepodge.